Topic: what is Salesforce plus Developer Roadmap? Hi everyone, welcome to SP Tech Career Insights. This is day one of our 30-day Salesforce Developer from Scratch series. In this series, we'll learn Salesforce step by step, even if you have zero technical background. So let's start with the most important question. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform. CRM means Customer Relationship Management. Companies use Salesforce to manage customer data, track sales, handle support tickets, automate business processes. Because Salesforce is cloud-based, you don't need to install anything. You can access it from anywhere using the internet. Why learn Salesforce? Salesforce is one of the most in-demand skills in the IT industry. Some key benefits: high-paying jobs, global opportunities, easy for beginners, strong career growth. Top companies like Amazon, Google, and Netflix use Salesforce. So learning Salesforce can open great career opportunities for you. Salesforce career paths. There are mainly three Salesforce roles. Salesforce admin manages users, data, and security. Salesforce developer writes code using Apex and builds applications. Salesforce consultant works with clients and designs solutions. In this 30-day series, we will focus on becoming a Salesforce developer. What you'll learn in 30 days. In this series, you will learn how to create a Salesforce account, objects and fields, Apex programming triggers, Lightning web components, real project ideas. Everything will be explained in simple and easy language. So this was day one of our Salesforce journey. If you want to become a Salesforce developer from scratch, make sure to follow this series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SP Tech Career Insights. See you in day two.